Hi everyone, I am Courtney Blocker, and I'm on the side that media company ownership is too concentrated. This quote from Media Monopoly shares the idea that when few voices control much of the media, we are unable to find our own voice, or when we do not agree with the popular stance, we seem like outsiders, when in reality, we only disagree with a couple of voices that exist in the large platforms. These are all the companies Walt Disney owns. They are looking to expand to 21st Century Fox, which would make their platform even larger, but Chromecast is looking to do the same. If Disney does get the deal, they have expressed interest in producing a service similar to Netflix, and already doing so with ESPN. Due to their wide variety in shows, they could corner the market and drive prices up.